One person has died in a terror attack on the Shiite Muslim shrine in Iran's southern city of Shiraz. This is the second deadly attack on the shrine in less than a year. According to state media, one person has been arrested. State media had earlier reported that 4 were killed in the shooting, but the toll was subsequently revised. Officials have also said that the man who entered the Shah Cheragh shrine and started shooting was a terrorist. At least 7 people have been injured, including 2 who were working at the shrine and 2 pilgrims. Shops in the area have been closed and the area was cordoned off by the police. According to state authorities, the shooter, who was arrested at the scene, carried an assault rifle and 8 magazines with 240 bullets, 11 of which he managed to fire before being caught. Videos from the scene show people running in panic outside the shrine and shutting down their shops. Images showed bullet holes in the walls and windows and blood on the ground. The shrine, located in the province of Fars, is one of the most important in Shia Islam. While no one has claimed responsibility for this attack so far, the Islamic State had claimed responsibility for the attack in October when 15 people were killed. The Islamic State has claimed responsibility for other attacks in the past as well, including the deadly twin bombings in 2017 that targeted Iran's parliament and the tomb of the Islamic Republic's founder, Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini. During the October attack too, a lone gunman had entered the shrine with an automatic rifle, shooting a group of pilgrims and staff. ISIS had released a video through its Amaq website and took responsibility for the attack. In early June, Iran executed 2 men accused of having been in contact with ISIS operatives in neighboring Afghanistan, who provided the gunman with the rifle and took him to the shrine. 3 more men were also tried and given prison sentences ranging from 5 to 25 years for working with the ISIS. Last year's assault on the shrine also came as Iran was rocked by nationwide protests that started in September 2022 following the death in custody of 22-year-old Mahsa Amini. She was arrested for defying the country's dress code for women.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.